Today we show you how to change default browser for your PC. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you. And this is for Windows 11 you can do it, and Windows 10 or the 8 or 7 you can do it. Okay, just now first go now to this here and open your settings. Okay, go to open your settings and now go to application here and go now to 1 2 3. Just go now to application like a default. Okay, now click here and just now go to your, if you have a Google Chrome or Edge, what you want. Okay, now I would put here a Google Chrome and click. Okay, did you see here I have HTML and Microsoft Edge and PDF. So PDF, when I click in PDF, it will be open in Google Chrome. Okay, and I can change it to anyone from here, like to Microsoft Edge, but I want to open from default to Google Chrome, and here change into Google Chrome. And finally you can change like HTML, PDF, CSV, WinBP, HTML, Google Chrome URL. You can do what you want here. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.